Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start off with the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm, and we're going to go ahead and put that on the highest points of your face. That is the top of your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, a little bit on the chin, and the sides of the forehead. Now this look is more of a natural glowy look, minimal makeup, so I am actually going to go into this illuminator from Iconic London. Go ahead with a beauty blender and place it on those same high points of your face, which is the cheek area. You know the drill. Now, as I mentioned, I actually wanted a glowy look today. It's more of a natural look. I tend to go for this look when I am not going to work, so this is usually my everyday. Now I'm going into the foundation stick from L'Oreal Infallible Long Wear Shaping Stick, and this is in the shade 407 Natural Beige, and I'm just gonna put the tiniest bit. You'll see a couple stripes, and I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Now, as you can see, this foundation is actually true to my color. So I tend to use this foundation when I just want like a natural look because it kind of blends into my skin tone. So I'll just put a little bit of this foundation just to cover up a little bit of the imperfections. Although, you know, I do have dark spots on my face and freckles. I'm not looking to cover that, but wanted to cover up some redness or any discoloration that I may have on the face. Now I'm going in with concealer, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. Now this shade is a little bit darker on me, but that way it covers under eye and around my cheek area. So I'll put some underneath my eyes, center of my face, a little bit on the nose, and on the chin. Then go ahead and blend it out with your beauty blender. Now I didn't show it, but I am using the Ciate London translucent powder to set underneath my eyes. I had to change my brush because the brush I was using was the Alamar, and it was a little bit too big for what I wanted. Now, just to put a little bit of color and kind of set the areas of my face, I will be going into the Fit Me from Maybelline, and this is the Set and Smooth in the shade 240 Golden Beige. Now, to get that glowy, sun-kissed look, I'm going in with the Butter Bronzer in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronzer, and I'm going to take my Aesthetica brush and just lightly dust it in the areas of my cheekbones and forehead, and also underneath my chin and jawline. Now I'm going to go ahead and lightly dust a little bit of highlighter from e.l.f. This is in the shade Moonlight Pearl. And as usual, go ahead and put that on the top of your cheekbones, forehead, down the bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, and the chin. Now this is how I like to do it. I mean, you can use your highlighter however you want, but I feel like this is how it brings the shine to my face. So I will go in those areas only. And as usual, go in, wet my beauty blender with the setting spray, and go ahead and start blending in all those products together. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm only going to use that light shade. I like to set my eyelids, and I normally gravitate to a more neutral color, so I will be going into that lighter shade. I will not be doing anything else to the eyes, as this is more of a natural look and very easy and simple. Now, to open up the eyes a little bit, instead of going in with a neutral pencil, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Coconut white pencil. Now for mascara, I'm going in with the Big Eagle mascara from Tarte. And go ahead and coat the top and bottom lashes. Now for a new change in my video, you guys know I normally don't use lashes, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes. This is from Pure, and it's the Pro Eyelash, and this lash is called Diva. Now the same difficulties that I have with doing a wing on my eye, lashes are the same thing. I am not a pro. I struggle with it. I take them off, I put them on, I take them off, put them on, and then finally I pop them on. But I mean, you can do this however you like. I kind of start in the center corner edge of the eyelash, and then I just kind of use my finger to make sure the glue has adhered to my eyelids. For the lips, I'm going to go in with the MAC Strip Down Lip Liner, and I'm going to go ahead and lightly line my lips. Now for the gloss, I'm going to go in with this iconic London. It's a lip plumping gloss. However, I like to use it because it gives that nice juicy lips, if you will. And the shade of this is Peekaboo. Go ahead and set your face with whatever setting spray you have. This one is the Morphe Continuous Mist, and my camera cut off at that point. But this is basically it, guys. This is the look. This is supposed to be a simple everyday look, something that literally takes you less than 10 minutes to create. Besides the lash, this is my go-to makeup on the weekends. Again, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me, subscribing, watching my videos, commenting, liking my videos. Most of you are coming from the gaming world. Do appreciate that you take 5-10 minutes to watch my videos. Guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Thanks, guys.